We're expecting sunny days here in Ninh Binh, but as you can see, it's pretty cloudy and I think we're gonna get rain later today. So let's see how we go.
This morning, Uli says, didn't we plan this trip accordingly to have sunny weather everywhere? And I said, yes, of course, go and complain to the weather gods.
I will do just that on top of the mountain that we're gonna visit today.
This is why we're going to Hang Múa.
See you there.
I think the weather gods listen to the issue. So the biggest topic of today's recording will be description of weather. So right now we have this kind of mist. There are like tiny droplets falling from the sky. So you can feel it on your skin, but you're not yet wet. But I think it's gonna get better. So stay tuned. I'm still standing, or rolling, or trying. So in Europe we have giant machines like this because the field is very big and you can collect a lot of wheat at once. But in here to collect rice, the terrain, the ground is still very soft because it was soaked in water. And the field is not too big, so you have tiny machine, but it's exactly the same concept. And now I became a farming expert.
It's okay,
Quick weather update. Now the droplets are tiny bit bigger. You're still not wet, but I think the face is evenly covered with the water right now. But it's not too bad. We'll keep you posted because probably this is going to change in the next few minutes. And we gotta be careful. This is where locals attack you and barricade the streets for tourists. So brace and carry on.
No.
It's a bit scary. Like literally, had I not known, and they had these hats like looking like safari police or something, and they was like stop in the middle of the road. It was a little bit scary.
We're at the Huanma cave and we can either do a cave, but check out this. You have a dragon up at the top and you have about 500 or a little bit more than 500 steep and very big steps to get up to before you reach the dragon. So let's see how we do, but we're gonna work our way to the top. Just got our tickets to go up to the top. 100 Vietnamese dong per person. Let's go.
And out of nowhere, galloping mustangs. Oh.
Welcome to Hang Múa.
What a cute little path leading us to very steep steps.
The first of the more than 500 steps to the top. Let's go.
Apart from climbing the mountain, we can also walk the paths among the plantation, rice fields. It's a very enjoyable complex and diverse. This is the front of the mountain. This is where we came from, and the fields, lotus fields. A tiny mountain shrine. And just on the other side of the mountain, another hidden treasure. Isn't it actually more beautiful now that it's misty and cloudy?
So, weather forecast update. 0% chance of having sun. 100% chance of this.
So this is the dragon. We've just been here. And it was a big audacious wish to eat the banh mi next to the dragon. But unfortunately, the weather conditions and crowds of tourists did not allow us to fulfill this dream. So we're gonna eat the banh mi now. Odishu asked me to add an asterisk. It is his banh mi, but he promised me a bite.
Asterisk, asterisk. Gashu this morning said, and quote, "I don't want one right now. I just had breakfast." So I didn't get her one. We're making our way down Hang Múa now, after seeing the lying dragon at the top and visiting one of the, I think, a pagoda. I liked it. I would say it's a 5 out of 5 for me. Pretty rainy and slippery, so be careful up at the top. But overall, it was an awesome experience. We got great views of the rest of Ninh Binh up at the top next to the dragon.
I'd say it's 4 out of 5. I really like the mixture of nature and this dragon that has a lot of symbolism, obviously the symbol of power and so on. It's a little bit crowded, and be very, very careful with the dragon. It's probably not safe and wise to do it, but well, everyone did it and we did it too. And it was kind of cool, but be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful. So, that will be it from the mountains, but maybe we'll go and check out the cave.
No, exactly. Yeah.
Let's go to the cave.
All right. See you there.
The time has come. Uli is gonna try his first banh mi in Vietnam
First one. Let's see.
in this very amazing place on this very rainy day. Or he's keeping us hanging.
Could have added a little bit more barbecue, but overall, not a bad snack.
We're
Great fun.
inside.
Give bit of onion, lettuce, coriander, barbecue pork. Not bad.
And where's Kashu's bite?
Yeah.
I knew it.
She traded a piece of chocolate for a bite.
And he went for it.
I was not aware of that deal.
A little secret. Okay, we're gonna continue lunch. and let's head in the other direction. I still think it's really cool. Zoom here, put your head. Look at these. You let a waterfall. Artificial, but very, very cheap still. And can you hear the water? Now let's go and check out the other cave. So there's no cave, like the cave ends here and there's water in here, like a tiny basin. And I cannot see far from here, but maybe with a boat you can go farther. Obviously we do not have a boat and we are not going any further. But look at the tiger statue, it's so majestic, especially like it's facing you when you're entering the cave. All I can see its head from the darkness. It's quite impressive. Okay, so this was the cave, and now towards the exit.
We're just noticing that coming to Hang Múa, aside from the hikes that you can do up to see the Lion Dragon and the pagoda, there isn't that many activities to do here. You have maybe walking around the pond, or maybe going to quickly see the cave or the lotus garden, but the most exciting parts of coming to Hang Múa are the Lion Dragon and the pagoda up at the top. The place is still quite cute, but small. We really enjoyed our stroll here, but it took us, what? Maybe about an hour, 2 hours.
Yeah. And now we're heading back to our place.
No?
And a quick weather update. So we're already quite wet from the humidity, from our climb up, and the mist that you could see all around us all the time. And finally, it started really raining. So this is what we're gonna enjoy on our ride back home on our bicycles. But what more fun than a warm afternoon Vietnamese rain?
Let's go.
Let's go. This is the scary road when the locals try to stop you. But because today is quite a rainy day, I think they did not expect many tourists, so we only got one barricade. And we persevered and we made it. Now it's pretty calm, as you can see. And this is school. And this is another school. And we're back in the city. I wanted to show you the skull and party bus. We decided to come to Ninh Binh because all over internet they said that it's a hidden gem of Vietnam and not too thirsty. We've been bamboozled again.
Here's a little insider tip when you come to Tam Coc. When you're staying in your hotel in Tam Coc, you'll likely stay somewhere near the main street. And the main street has a lot of bars, a lot of restaurants. But these bars and restaurants, they cater to tourists. So you'll find a lot of the prices are slightly higher than you would at other restaurants. So just look at the menu, look to see what you want. Maybe if you're looking to stay closer to Western food, go to some of those restaurants. If you're looking for Vietnamese food, try to explore a little bit. We came across this restaurant called Viet Dien. It is off of that main street, I think about maybe a 15 to 20 minute walk. It's worth it. You also have a view of a lovely river running by. We have a limestone rock next to us. And we're about to try some delicious Vietnamese food.
This is so far the best coconut we have in Southeast Asia. And the difference with other coconuts is that actually it's quite sweet. The coconuts we had in Indonesia, they were also fresh and so on, but you couldn't really taste the coconut. The taste was actually a little bit off. And this one is just cold and has this very strong coconut flavor, and it's sweet but just right, not too much. I don't know, I love it. The coconut only was so delicious that I nearly ate half of it. And now, let's see what else we have in here. Pay attention, it's very hot. He just prepared it. And the spring rolls are delicious. Our first dish, we have some rice. We have chicken with ginger. And we also have some vegetable pho. So, what a feast.